Welcome to this lesson. So in this lesson, we want to take the first law of indices. Okay, remember we said we are going to be taking this laws one after the other, solving examples. So these lessons are going to be very short, and we're going to gain a lot. So this is activity one. We want to look at the first law of indices. Remember the first law is a multiplication law which says a raised to power m times a raised to power n equals to a raised to power n plus n. That is when you are multiplying same base, you add their powers. When you are multiplying same base, you add their powers. So look at these examples. Number one, 11 raised to power 5 multiplied by 11 raised to power 3. So you simply add the power. 11 raised to power 5 plus 3. 5 plus 3 is 8, so, and that will be 11 raised to power 8. That's the answer. Number 2, a raised to power 4 multiplied by a raised to power 3. We have a raised to power 3, 4 plus 3. 4 comes first. And then 4 plus 3 is 7. So we have a raised to power 7. Okay. And then the third one, we have x raised to power 4 multiplied by x raised to power 9. We are we are multiplying the base, so we add the powers. X raised to power 4 plus 9. 4 plus 9 will be 13, so we have x raised to power 10. So this is how you apply the multiplication law of indices, which is very simple and straightforward. So I'm going to give you some activities to do now, and then you solve them, and you pause this video and solve them, and then you come back and give me your answer. Okay, so let's take this classwork. Simplify the following. Number one, x raised to power 5 times x raised to power 4. Number two, 9b raised to power 3 multiplied by b raised to power 4. Pause the video and solve. Good. Now let's solve the answer together. Then you mark and give yourself a 10 mark. In the first one, we have number one, x raised to power 5 times x raised to power 4. We add the power, x raised to power 5 plus 4, which is x raised to power 9. Good. So if you get it correctly, mark and give yourself 2 marks. Number two, 9b raised to power 4, that's what we have there. 9b raised to power 3 multiplied by b raised to power 4. So this is going to be 9 multiplied by b raised to power 3 times b raised to power 4. You can expand first if you want, and that will be 9 times b raised to power 3 plus 4. B raised to power 3 and b raised to power 4, they are same base, so we add the powers. So that's going to be 9 times b raised to power 7, and then we simply multiply 9 and b. So that will be 9b raised to power 7. So if you get this correctly, mark your step here, mark the final step here, and give yourself 3 marks. So if you get both of them, give yourself 5 over 5. Okay. So this is how you apply the first law of indices. Okay.